What's up you guys, my name is Alex. Before I start this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today I'm making an unboxing video about this little guy, the Nymåne, whatever. I don't know how to spell this correctly, so whatever you spell this, I'm going to make an unboxing video about this guy. Why am I making an unboxing video about that little guy? Because this right here is in the way. So this thing right there pisses me off all the time when I'm making a video, so today was time to buy the Nymåne or whatever you call it. This one is quite flat, you won't see it in my next videos, so bye bye bitch. Let's unbox this. Please be kind with me, this is my first unboxing video. So, I hope I will do it correctly. So, first of all, I will open it. So here. And that's about it. So let's see how it works. Oh! So you unlock those to take this one out. So here is where you put the screws on. Oh. Okay, it's quite fragile because as you can see, I put it out, but I effed it up already. God damn. Seriously? So let's see, I don't want to break it. Oh, so it's back in. Okay, no, it's quite easy to put it back in. It's very plastic. You don't have to expect very much for the price I paid it. So, it's okay. So, let's see. The usual Ikea handle manual, sorry. All languages, how to put it in, take it out. I just did that. Okay, so look at this, page 18. Okay, so you need to put this guy on the hook. Push it in so it screws in, okay, and then, okay, so, I got it. I'm not an electrician, but I know how to handle it. Now I will hang it on. Let's do this. So I still don't know which one is which one here. Just kitchen, whatever that is. Alright, let's hope I will not get shocked. Everybody should know, if you have some brains, to always check first. First one, second one, okay, no contact, good! Let's take that shit off! Yep, got it! It's heavy. Somebody get it! Alright, I'm living all by myself. I need to put this like here. Push it down so we can come on. First, let's look at this. Yep, got it almost. Okay, good. So now we need to take this off. First try to put on some light. I think I'm good. No, I'm not. So now we should be good. Okay, that's the first one. And the second. No, so I need to change again. Let's try it again. shall we? Let's try this one. Yes, and the second. 1, 2, 3. God damn it. The third time is a charm. Yay! And it's on. So now let's put on the cap. First I need to screw it on. I know everyone who will look at this video will say, man, you need to do this first, blah blah blah. I know. But I'm taking on life like it is, so I'm screwing it on like just like this. Bam! And that's it. I think the best thing is to put yourself where that thing is so I can see, but I can't see shit. It's in. Okay, so now it should be on. 1, 2. Ta-da! Bim! Yep, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my first unboxing. Went quite well, quite easy. Nothing is in my way anymore. I can jump around now. Jump up and get down! As I asked you kindly in the beginning of this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit on the bell notification and to share this video with your friends, your family, the one you're now crossing in the street. I don't know. Just share. It's just one click away. I would like to thank you and see you next time. Bye.
I had to get away, get away, get away.